Hello everyone, this is Swami. Welcome to Code by Swami. In the last video, we discussed and implemented field injection. In this video, we are going to understand method replacer, also known as method injection. First of all, what is method injection? Here, method replacer or method injection is used to implement one method instead of another method without touching or without changing single line of source code. Okay, we can understand method injection practically. Let's move to Eclipse IDE and we'll implement the application. Let's move to Eclipse IDE. File, New, Maven project. Click here for start an application. Next, give the group ID com.code by Swami. Artifact ID. This is the 11th application, right? This is method injection app, version is 1.0. Finish. Open the project, open pom.xml file. Here are the dependencies tag. Inside this dependencies tag, you need to add Spring context. For that, go to browser mvnrepository.com. Search with Spring context. Search, click on Spring context. I'm selecting 5.3.13 latest version. Copy the dependency. Go to the project. Paste here. Above the dependency, I'm using Maven compiler plugin Java 8. Click here. Copy the properties tag, go to the project and paste above the dependencies. Align the code. Let's update the project. Alt F5. Click here, click OK. Now the project is updated. It is using 1.8 version and Spring dependencies also added to the project. Now I have done with the setup. Right click on src main Java, new class. This time I am creating one class like credit card eligibility finder com.code by swami.beans. Finish. In that I am writing one method, public void check credit card eligibility. Check credit card eligibility. Here I am writing system.out.println. Here, welcome to SBI. Sysout, you are eligible for SBI credit card. You are eligible for SBI credit card. Sysout, thank you for choosing SBI. Like this, I implemented the class. This time I am using one replacer like changing eligibility replacer. For that, new class changing eligibility replacer implements method replacer. Finish. Automatically the class is created with method. Yes. Here I am writing system.out.println. Welcome to Axis Bank you are eligible for the Axis Bank credit card. Here I am writing thank you for choosing Axis Bank. Like this, I implemented the replacer. See, if I don't need SBI, then I want to switch from SBI to Axis. If I don't need Axis, then I want to switch from Axis to SBI. But I want to do that but without touching any source code. For that I am writing one configuration file under src main resources. Right click on src main resources, new, other, Spring Bean configuration file. Next, I am writing beans.xml file. Click on next, choose beans, context, next and finish. Here I am writing one bean definition, bean name, I am writing credit card replacer. I am writing class name credit card eligibility finder. Yes, automatically we got fully qualified name. This time I want to create bean name is changing replacer class changing eligibility replacer. Yes, but I have to inject this replacer into this credit card eligibility finder. For that, here one tag is there, that is replaced method. In this name, already we give one method name. What is that method name? Check a credit card eligibility. Here the replacer, I want to link replacer to credit card eligibility. For that I am selecting this changing replacer and placing here. Yes, let's align the code. This is the code. What we have done as of now, here this is checking eligibility replacer, this is credit card eligibility finder. See, if I want to switch from one bank to another bank for credit card, so I am using this changing replacer without touching source code. If I need some other bank credit card, then I can use this. If I don't want that, then you have to comment this and you have to use that. But this time I am not touching the source code. Okay, let's write the test class to test the application. Test, I am changing to test. Main method, new class path XML application context, file name is beans.xml, returns application context only, application context. I am changing this to simply context. Context.getBean. Here I am writing credit card eligibility finder dot class, returns eligibility finder, credit card eligibility finder. Credit card eligibility finder dot check a credit card eligibility. Let's run the application. See, here I am using this time Axis Bank. but I don't want Axis Bank. I want to choose from SBI Bank, but I'm not touching any source code. Go to beans.xml file. Just what I'm doing, just I'm commenting this replaced method. Just I'm commenting, save it, come to test class, just run the application and observe the output here. See, welcome to SBI Bank. Here what I am doing, we are implementing one method instead of another method. Here what we have implemented as of now, we implemented one method instead of another method without touching source code, but we are switching from one bank to another bank to get the credit card. So this is the method injection, also known as method replacer, guys. Thank you guys. If you like my content, please do subscribe.